Welcome to day 3 in our week of webisodes. First look 2018, and today we're all about Dazzles. We have 8 new Dazzles, and they're rooted in love.
Right, so all of those new Dazzles, plus a new Rooted in Love collection with even more Dazzles.
So much fun. And wait till you see what the design team has done. And by the way, scrapbookers, there are pages. Okay, come play with us. Well, here are the 8 Dazzles, and you can see lots of finishes and lots of themes.
Lots of variety, and so there's a lot to look at here. We're going to look at them within the cards themselves, right? Or do you want me to point them
let's
out?
just title them.
Okay,
yeah.
The Cat's Meow, which is not necessarily like, we just had the Cat's Meow the other day
We
in
did.
Charleston. This is actual cats, and then we have chocolate stickers. These are all about chocolate
And that was
sweets.
Teresa's idea.
Oh, good.
Yes.
Thanks, Teresa. Cactus stickers, and there's these are great. You're looking sharp. I love that. And with the cactus stickers, we have new baby stickers in white with that beautiful gold edging. Happy Easter stickers in beautiful mirror gold. Happy script greetings, and we just go through these like anything. We use
This
these
is
a
the
lot.
newest version. Yeah, this is the
Right.
3rd one.
So it's more greetings, different greetings. The loved stickers, which you're not really going to see these on one of the projects we have today, but this is what it looks like. Lots of fun greetings. I love you to the moon and back. You and me, very fun.
Yes, very fun. And then unicorns and castles. And my granddaughter Penelope has this as a favorite. Now, in addition to this, we also have all of these. So Rooted in Love, which we talked about earlier, is the paper collection, and you'll be seeing parts of that through this.
A really interesting mix of papers in there, and be sure and see the product video to see those papers in detail.
Some marble and different things.
Right.
Our Dazzles come in the 2 sheets, but 2 different finishes, as you can see. So that's unique.
We brought back the Savannah Stroll buttons because they match so perfectly.
I know, just amazing.
Right.
And we've added the purple flowers, just so pretty.
And
of course the ribbons. You know, there's a dozen there, 36 inches each.
Sparkly stuff too.
And we've added these laser cut wood butterflies. Wait till you see these used. Okay, so we're gonna scoot those off, and one of the first 2 scrapbook pages is this. Perfect for family, and you can see the wonderful use of that tree with the roots going down to the family. Just gorgeous.
You have to excuse my reach there, but I wanted to make sure that you knew that with this Dazzle set, you're going to get 1 gold sheet and 1 black sheet. They are the same. They're not the same images.
No, they're never the same.
Different images, and so many of them. But I love that you get to combine the black with the pearl gold.
Very pretty, and you can see that border, how lovely that is. Going over the pattern paper. So what's happened is the paper that you saw on the front has been cut and placed onto the marble.
Right, so you've got this really interesting look, this very kind of an artsy feel to it in just this one strip, and then a little bit more marbled, softer touch, so it doesn't like control the whole page.
It's just
in
gorgeous,
this one.
yes.
And of course, these long border Dazzles, which are really only 6 inches long, but because they tie in together perfectly, you can't even see where they're joined.
Right.
So put together those 2 6-inch strips, and you've got beautiful long borders.
And down here, this is Rooted in Love, family, and making memories right down at the bottom. So.
And the buttons both, you're seeing pink up here and the green down here, they both come in that set. There are also sequins, there are pearls. They're so much fun to decorate a page with in particular.
Right, let's go ahead and show the 2nd page too. This is using that full sheet and just one really special photo, but using the border just on the edge of the photo.
Right.
This has added some of the oval doilies. They've been inked and placed behind.
Right, so I like that poking out from the top and the bottom, which you can even cut them so you can just use a little bit here and a little bit. It doesn't have to go the full length.
This is how big it is, so you can see it's generous.
You can do that. You can also repurpose them a little bit by cutting them and using them elsewhere. I love using the Dazzles on the artwork that's on the page. So Susan did that. She placed the black, and she's got the gold on top of it here, and then using one of the frame dazzles, backing it with paper, and you've got a beautiful frame for the dazzles there too.
And the butterflies have been, these have been painted
These
with
have been painted with shimmer paint. And just so easy to do. They're little wooden laser cut butterflies.
Shimmer paint.
Very simple. It's an acrylic paint, but they're nice and shimmery, and some of the beads added on top. And then she's backed some dazzles to match those butterflies.
I just want to get over into the corner just to see that button collection and the sequins and the tiny dazzles on top. Just really sweet. Just does a really nice job of framing that photo and having that be the prime importance on that page.
Right. Okay.
Now going into our cards, again adding the doily. So this is the heart doily, and again, like you said on the page, using one of the frame dazzles that's part of this.
And it's been backed first on this green paper. The center was cut out so that the dazzle was only backed on the green paper, and then it was placed over and framed over one of the papers that has this beautiful image here. It's one of the heading papers on there.
And the gold on the butterflies has been done with
mega flakes.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Here
gilding
we go.
Flakes.
The gilding flakes. Isn't that pretty?
So really simple to do. Just flitter glue, and you just pounce a little bit of flitter glue on there, and then add the mega flakes, rub on. Gilding flakes, rub on and rub off, and it leaves a nice shiny finish.
Now, one thing about the art that's right here, this is one of the papers, but I want to show you another sheet that's part of this, and it is this sheet. So look at all of those framed elements.
Isn't that great?
That you can use.
That you can cut right apart, and that is as soon as the design team saw that, they were like, "Oh, perfect! We can just cut those up. We can cut the insides out if we want to make new frames." Really fun.
Yes, very, very neat. So I just wanted to make sure that you saw that. Okay, into the other dazzles, we're going to start with chocolate because, as I said, that was Teresa's request, and we understand that most days do require chocolate, so that's important.
39 different images on this one, so many different chocolate images, and I think a lot of them are used here, well, just a few of them.
And of course it's in brown. And this is a cutaway card that also has an easel element.
Isn't that fun? So if you look at the card without all of the fun stuff on there, it started out as just a blank card folded over, and we cut away that front panel so that it looks like this.
The gallery will tell you how.
Of course. And then that remaining panel, you're going to fold it, so now you've got that easel portion. And then Teresa used a corner chomper to round just two of those edges, so that really makes a nice, interesting look.
And so this part has been raised up on foam tape, of course, to hold the easel, but also she added a little chocolate embellishment on the inside.
That is so fun. I love that little chocolate bar. That's super fun.
And this is also cut, so you can see the little rectangles of chocolate.
Looks like you can break them into little pieces.
It does. Tasty treat. And again, as I said, the Rooted in Love has quite a few of the marble papers, so you can really see those there, as well as the patterned.
Match. Yeah, they have a pink, a gray, and this kind of yellow gold one.
Yeah, isn't that pretty? Okay, we're going to go into Cactus, and so we have this. And the Miss You is part of the new greetings, the happy greetings.
Right, so we had the long greetings, well, the happy greetings, happy script greetings with lots of
It's because it's got happy birthday and
wishes, congrats,
happy hugs.
Happy hugs, that's great. And then the cactus stickers, lots and lots of fun little cactuses on there with really fun greetings. I love the "You're looking sharp," the ouch, happy healing, free hugs. That's pretty funny.
Very cute. So here's what Teresa's done. She has colored in with the Spectrum Noir pens, which is very fun. And then on the inside, happy healing. So this is her Get Well card. Cute to have those flowers onto the cactus. And there is one of Teresa's lovely ribbon techniques. So beautifully done. So cute.
Fun.
Now, I talked about unicorns. Well, the castles are also on that sheet.
Beautiful.
So we've got them, and Believe in Magic is the saying, and a little tricky to see on camera with the gray behind the silver, but I think you're getting the idea.
Right, but also if we're gonna tilt it this way now, there we go. Now you can see the glitter kiss that's been spread across the background.
Okay.
And I just think that's a really interesting look. Now, I think that you can't see it. I'm looking at the monitor thinking it doesn't look the same to you as it does to us in person. It really looks glittery.
Yes, it is.
And I want to show you how that was done with the glitter kiss. It's so easy to use. I've got some of the paper here, and she started by putting that on in the background before she backed her Dazzles and placed those. And the glitter kiss comes with this great applicator. You always have to turn it sideways to pop it off like that, nice and soft. And then you open up the container, and it's very soft and gel-like, this medium. So it's really simple to just pick up, and I'm just going to sort of scrape it along the side so I just get a little bit on there. And then you just start applying it just like so. Oh, I didn't do it where you could see it all. I'm going to turn it this way. There you go. Just like that, and just kind of in some different areas. And Teresa said the first application is going to be very thin, so she said you can just continue and make several applications, layering them on top of each other to get it a little thicker. And it just leaves this beautiful shimmery glitter look.
I would never have thought of doing that.
Yeah, and then that's going to dry and have a nice glittery background, sort of like you're up in the clouds like that one is.
So believe in magic, and on the inside, hooray, our unicorns finally get fair play. Never stop dreaming is what it's saying. Really sweet. Very, very sweet. Now, if a new baby is on hand, we have Dazzles for you. Of course, you can do them in pink or blue, if you know, or you can play it safe and do it in green. These are easy to back, as all the Dazzles are.
And I love that she used these different colors of cardstock. So you're seeing, a pale teal and a little bit darker, so that's just a really cute look. I love those.
And on the inside, you are loved. Well, this is part of the Love Dazzles. So we were thinking it hadn't been used, but it had been used.
All right.
Sweet. And I love this little border
really
of
fun,
all
the wash line with all the baby clothes. Very cute.
Very sweet. And you can see the onesies and so forth right there, and very,
and that's
very,
a simple
very sweet.
Card. Simple and just adorable.
Absolutely. Now, kitties, okay. Cat's Meow, we talked about. Meow, you doing? And this is using the silver linen paper for the moon there.
Now, these aren't the Rooted in Love papers.
They're not.
But it is such a beautiful look. We wanted to make sure you saw something with those beautiful kitties on there. And these are done with the circles and scallops cutting dies. So really simple to cut your circles with that.
Yeah, very nice. And we have Easter. Easter is on the horizon, and you can see those golden Easter eggs and the bunny.
Right, the gold mirror. And they were placed over a background that was done on with Color Burst. And I just wanted to show you which ones were used. So Teresa used Peony, Gamboge, and Marigold. And all you do is you just sort of sprinkle them onto
cardstock?
No, watercolor paper. So she used watercolor on this. You can use cardstock, but it spreads really nicely on watercolor paper.
And just mist it.
Mist it with a little water.
And that's what you get. That's a fun use with the Color Burst, to have it in little pieces like that.
Just create your own paper like that that goes with whatever you want. You can make those color combinations.
A very happy Easter. You can see more of the Color Burst, and actually also backing the flowers. So that works nicely.
I love this look that the little eggs are hanging from the branch like that. That's just really cute.
That's really nice. Very, very pretty. Very festive and colorful, and great uses. So we should have tapped your creative juices today. I don't know where the Dazzles, there they are.
Here they are. Got all of those Dazzles, the 8 different kinds of Dazzles, more Dazzles with the collection, gold and black, and a gorgeous collection, Rooted in Love.
Yes, absolutely. Please join us tomorrow. We'll have more brand new goodies to share with you.
Yay.